Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can send photos as document in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp and open the chat where you want to send photos. Then tap on this clip icon and tap on document. After opening, it's time to select your images that you send as document. Tap on browse documents and from here you can select the location of your image. Tap on images and select where your images or photos are located. Let's tap on download. Now here I have photos that I want to send as document in WhatsApp. You can either select one or tap and hold to select multiple. Let's select 4 and then tap on select. Now it will ask for permission to send those photos as documents to the confirmed recipient. Tap on send and as you can see, the 4 photos that I selected have been sent as document to the confirmed recipient. In this way you can send your photos as documents in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe.